Industrial visit to a plastic manufacturing industry. HSE Batch 163. At International Safety Solution, we believe that practical exposure is essential for developing skilled and competent HSE professionals. As part of our commitment to hands-on learning, HSE Batch 163 recently visited a leading plastic manufacturing industry to gain real-world experience in industrial safety practices, fire protection systems, and emergency preparedness. During the visit, students observed and learned about fire protection systems and fire truck operations, personal protective equipment, PPE standards and compliance, emergency response and evacuation procedures, hazard identification and risk assessment, workplace safety signage, housekeeping and safe work practices, fire hydrant and hose reel systems, installation, inspection and maintenance, safe machine operations and plastic manufacturing processes, fire extinguisher type, placement, inspection and proper usage. The visit provided students with valuable practical knowledge of industrial safety equipment, fire protection infrastructure, and safety management systems. By interacting with real workplace environments, they gained a deeper understanding of how safety standards are implemented to protect workers, property, and operations. At International Safety Solutions, we remain committed to producing highly skilled HSE professionals through quality training, industrial exposure, and practical learning experiences that prepare students for successful careers in occupational health and safety. Learn, observe, practice, lead safely. Thank you for watching, and for more, contact us.